Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho Inventory. This platform is perfect for managing your stock, tracking orders, and keeping your business operations organized in one central location. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will take you to the Zoho Books platform, which serves as your gateway to accessing Zoho Inventory. Once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a 9-dot icon sitting there. Click on it and it will reveal the All Zoho Apps menu, displaying all the available Zoho applications at your disposal. From this menu, locate and select Zoho Inventory to proceed. A new window will appear, and from here, you'll want to click on Start Free Trial. This is where you'll begin the registration process. You'll be required to enter some essential information, including your company name, an active email address, a strong password, and you'll need to select your country from the drop-down options. Make sure all this information is accurate, as it will be tied to your account. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Sign Up to complete the registration process. This action will move you forward to the next stage of setup. Now you'll need to complete your organization details. This includes selecting your industry type, entering your business address, choosing your preferred currency, and setting your time zone. These details are crucial as they ensure your inventory system aligns with your business operations and location. After filling in all your organization details, click Finish to access your Zoho Inventory dashboard. You're now inside the platform and ready to start customizing it to fit your needs. At this point, you might want to invite team members to collaborate with you. To do this, navigate to Settings and then click on Users and Permissions. This allows you to add colleagues who can help manage inventory and access relevant information. Now it's time to populate your system. Begin adding your items, customers, and vendors directly from the dashboard. These are the building blocks of your inventory management system. Take your time to input accurate information, as this will make tracking and managing everything much smoother down the line. Finally, explore the various features available to you, such as creating invoices, purchase orders, and managing stock levels. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will help you maximize the platform's potential and streamline your inventory management processes. This process helps you start managing your inventory efficiently in Zoho Inventory. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.